AVEVA have an industrial AR, VR platform that has many aspects. Here we're going to be talking about how our customers are using it to digitize their training programs with virtual reality. So I have a small application that I'm going to show you how to use, and it's how our customer is digitizing their electrical and maintenance training. So if I could just ask you to step forward, I'll place on the virtual reality headset. And so now you can see inside the training area. Is that comfortable?
Yeah.
Is that okay?
Good enough.
Okay, and I'm going to hand you a controller.
Okay.
And you'll see, there you go, so your right hand, and you'll see a wand at the end.
Yep.
So first of all, what I'd like you to do is just to walk around the environment and just to experience the virtual reality. So you can walk anywhere you like, just as you would in real life. So you turn to your left, and you'll see a pump and its associated equipment. And in a second, you're going to do some maintenance training on how to isolate the pump and start that maintenance process. So just have a walk around if you walk to your left now. And if you reach the wand out and touch certain items, so you see a valve in front of you. If you look up, you should see a valve. If you reach forward a bit further higher, just take a step forward. And now it goes green. So with the trigger behind there, you can actually interact with the system. So you can open and close that valve. And later in the training, that's what you would be doing. Once you've isolated the pump, you would then take the maintenance step. But if you follow me now, we can start the process. If you press the button just at the top there, you'll actually see your work order. So the system explains step by step the procedure you're going to take. So what we're going to do first, if you press the button again, your instructions will disappear. And now walk towards the pump. On top of the pump, you'll see a small square box. Yep. That's where your electrical connections are. And using that grip button I showed you originally, you can select your tools. So just on the inside, you've got a grip button. And if you select the screwdriver, so the first one that comes up after the wand. Okay, so now you can touch each of those 4 of those bolts and you can remove them. There you go, that's one. So go around and select the other one. Okay, now if you go back to your wand by using the grip button again, and just keep scrolling through until you get it, you can take the top off. So press the top, press the wand on the top, press the trigger, and then just place it to the right, just next to, there we go, perfect. So now that you've opened the box, you're an expert electrician, I take it.
Right, absolutely.
You'll be able to look inside the box and answer the question. So it's asking you what type of configuration it is. And I can give you a clue. It's the A answer, it's the star configuration. But essentially, I'm not going to run you through the whole training program. It's about a 30-minute module.
Right.
It's now giving you the second task, which was to look inside the box and match the diagram. But essentially, the idea is you can totally digitize your entire training programs and capture that industry expertise and digitize that program so you can run all of your operators through a training program. And this one is related to electrical maintenance, but it can be anything from standard operating procedures, emergency scenario cases. This is just one example of how AVEVA are applying virtual reality for our customers. In this case, it's immersive training for maintenance operators, but it can be connected to operator training simulators to do full team training for safety scenarios, emergency conditions, any number of different training applications. This same platform then can be used out in the field. So on the opposite side of this booth, there's our operations and maintenance applications, connecting real-time information on and putting those applications on tablets so that the field operators have that information out in the field.